So one day I closed from work and I felt like being a chef for that day. So I just beat my egg on a frying pan with fire under it. I sprinkled some pepper, gave it a pinch of salt. Take a good view of it. Take a good view of it. I had to turn 'cause I'm a Ghanaian. I can't eat it raw. And I gave it a little or a pinch of salt from behind. Yeah, the bottles. Ha 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 ha. Oh, it was time to make the plantain and the yam, but I'll only show you the plantain. So here we go. I took one plantain from the fingers of plantains and I measured it like a chef would do. Well, I think chefs do that, so. And I started to cut them in slices. Dip them into a salt water. I think this plantain is a very sexy plantain because whilst I'm trying to cut it, it just keeps, dancing. That's crazy, girl. Yeah, the plantain is a female. So after I pour the salt water off the plantain and I dip them into oil on fire. With this kind of frying, you have to be focused or else they will bend. With this kind of frying, you have to be focused or else they will bend. They will bend. So at the end, I had this result. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. And I had my arrangement done. I did not show you the yam chips for today. I just showed you the plantain and the yam chips with my tomato sauce. You know how it goes. It was so relieving, yeah? 'Cause I have been fantasizing about it and finally having made my dream come true. Oh, my dream. Yes, I had a dream to eat something like this. And finally, I did it and I ate it and I enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you guys too much. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, kindly comment, and if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe.